Hello, my name is Whitney Morse and I'm doing my video for the very end of this class, obviously. So to talk a little bit about what I want to do in the future with my museum degree, which I'm actually, or SLIS degree, which I'm actually finishing hopefully at the end of this term with the internship that I'm having right now, or going through right now. I always wanted to work in a museum since I started this degree, and a little bit before then. I am mostly interested in doing preservation, which I'm still planning on taking some classes for outside of getting my degree. And yeah, I want to preserve books. I want to make sure that everyone is able to see physically the things that we've all been able to enjoy up until now, and for people in the future to do so, we need to have great preservationists being able to just think about the future and the people of the future. So that is what I would love to do. Right now, though, my internship is through a university library, and they're having me one, work on a database, a new one that they're putting into place, but also I get to take cassette tapes and put them in a digitized form so that people are still able to use that, which is amazing because it still falls under my hope to make things available to people in the future that might not make it through the years. So putting this in a different format is still helping with that. I still miss touching the books. I still ask to shelve books every once in a while because I know it's bad to say, but I love books. I love the feel of them, the smell of them, all of that. So, which when I started my degree, my first class, they told us that that's not a good enough reason to be in the library science area, but still rings true for me, and I'm still excited about all of it. So yeah, that's my goal for the future. I might actually end up getting a position at the library I'm working at now, letting me stay there and continue doing what I'm doing, and paid this now, or sorry, my cat, or working in a museum. I'm also working on taking some classes with my husband in Hebrew and Greek, and I think it would be wonderful if I could use those to help translate books in the future that I might be, or scrolls or whatnot, that I might be able to preserve in the future. So there's a few different things that I would really like to do, and I love information, I love helping people, I love thinking of preserving things for people in the future. So that's my goal, and I'm happy to see where that takes me and where life takes me after I get this degree and can focus on the things that I really love. And also, I just really need to say that I love this class. I love the fact that people are able to take this before they do the other classes, because some things that I had a little harder time figuring out on my own before, you cover all of them, and they're so easy to learn with the way that you do things. You have people read about stuff, you give them videos to watch, there are tutorials, it's beautiful. So I'm really glad. I even learned a few easier ways to make things work with like getting into the Kent State library and that sort of thing. So it's really wonderful. I love the VPN, being able to VPN to things. So anyway, sorry about the cameo with my cat. This is going to be the one that I turn in because besides her, it's worked out the best. So anyway, thank you, and thank you for the class. It's amazing.